Top of the morning to you. Might I welcome you with a Alright, so look what we got. We ordered some Pizza Hut glasses. I don't know how many times you see these in an actual home, but we're gonna break these in. So Cobalt is gonna do a couple of burps for you, and he's gonna pour that Coke in there, and we're gonna try to make this feel like Pizza Hut. You know, you'll probably hear the arcade noises. Cobalt's still pretty decent burper. There's a solid burper, belcher. Yeah, we bring the Pizza Hut magic. Gotta hit up Frenchie and stuff. I'm just gonna pour some water in mine. See if I can get a few burps. So standard history with Pizza Hut. You're used to the little red roof and the arcade machines, the Cruisin' USA machine, that sort of stuff. One day this place will be just like it. Just one step at a time. That Coca-Cola original taste. We're not going to forget about that in 2019. It's definitely something of like what needs to happen. Frenchie's is going to kind of back Cobalt up. He knows what he has. Can't forget about these. I'm gonna smell it. I need to. Yep. It's like old times. All of this kind of do the signal thing, let you know it's kind of floating. Oklahoma City. That's not too far away. We were there once last year. We were at one of his concerts. Close to it.